I just built an AI agent that goes onto Google Maps, finds businesses in any niche I want. It pulls their name, phone number, website, all of their contact details. Then it organizes it all for me without needing any code, API setup. I literally just described what I wanted in plain English and it built the whole thing in minutes. The tool is called Twin and it does something that Zapier, Make, and NA10 cannot do. If there's no integration for the app you need, Twin opens a real browser and does the task like a human would. It clicks buttons, fills forms, navigates pages so you're never stuck. So in this video, we've actually partnered with Twin and I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own AI agent step by step. Hey, I'm Sen from AI Academy. Let's get into it. Okay, first of all, what is Twin and why is it so different? Well, Twin is a no-code AI agent builder. Once you're on the website and you're ready to start using the agent, all that you need to do is describe what you want to be automated. Twin then literally builds an AI agent that does the job for you. And it doesn't just do it once. It can run on a schedule, on a trigger, whenever you need. So you build it once, and it can run forever. Now, if you've used tools like Zapier, Make, or NA10 before, you know how it works. You drag boxes around a canvas, connect APIs, but then something will break, and then you'll spend an hour just debugging the problem. Well, Twin actually skips all of that. You talk to it in normal language, describe the goal, answer a few questions, and then it architects the workflow for you. So here's what actually makes this different from everything else. Most automation tools only work with apps that have built-in integration. If the tool you need isn't on their list, you're out of luck. But Twin works differently because if any tool in the world has an API, Twin can connect to it. You just give it the API key and it figures out the integration on its own. So there's no manual setup or mapping fields, meaning a lot less debugging. And if the connection ever fails, it keeps retrying until it works. Now that's already a massive step up from Zapier or NA10, where you're limited to whatever's on their integration list. And if there's no API at all, Twin actually opens a real browser session and does the task the way you would, by logging in, clicking, scrolling, typing. So you're literally never stuck. They also have thousands of integrations already built in, and there's a community library called Discover, where other users share agents they've built. Twin actually just launched a feature where you can actually create a public profile, publish your agents, and follow other builders in your industry. So if someone has already built a lead gen agent or reporting agent that already does exactly what you need, you can just clone it and tweak it, which is another totally different starting point from setting up a Zapier workflow from zero. And unlike something like OpenClaw, where you need to rent a server, manage a VPS, deal with security configs, and pay to keep it all running, Twin runs entirely in the cloud. So there's nothing to install, nothing to host. You sign up at twin.so, and then you can literally start building an AI agent within minutes. Okay, so for the first example, I want to show you the full process of building an AI agent with Twin from scratch. I'm going to build something that checks a website every day, finds the newest articles, and turns them into content ideas with titles and outlines. So if once you navigate to the Twin website, you can literally click the Try Now button, which then takes you to their login page. And you can literally log in with your Gmail or Google account or any kind of email that you have available to you. Now, once you've logged in, you can go onto New Chat, which allows you to begin a new chat to start building your AI agent. I'm then going to ask Twin to monitor a website that I'm going to put in every day, find new articles, and generate YouTube video title ideas with outlines for each. And this is the article which I'm going to use. I have a bunch of really interesting articles and just insights on just AI. So let me paste that in and then just hit enter. So right now Twin is going through brainstorming mode. So it's literally gonna ask you a bunch of questions as well, which you'll need to answer. So right now it's asking me to look over its plan. So it's saying everyday check the RSS feed, the correct website, use LLM. Yep, the plan's looking all good. And then it asks you to confirm whether it wants it to go ahead and build the AI agent. So I'm gonna click on build it. And the great thing about Twin is that you can literally treat it like a normal human assistant. Just speak to it in plain English. So for example, right now it's asking me what email should I send the ideas to, but for me, maybe I don't want it to send these ideas to an email. So I'm literally gonna tell it, don't send me any emails, just have all the ideas in one place. And then hit submit. And then again, it's gonna continue brainstorming and it's gonna continue getting to the build. So again, it's working through everything and it's currently brainstorming, and again, it outlines every single step that it takes. Sometimes Twin might actually ask you for a bunch bunch of details. Rather, in this example, it just gave me 1 or 2 questions. Again, depending on the agent that you're building, it will determine how long the debugging and ask will determine how long and how many questions you'll get asked. But just like a normal AI building assistant, if you collaborate and work together, and the more information that you give to it, the better the final agent will be. So you just want to give it a few minutes for it to fully work its way through the build. Also, another thing I want to mention is when you sign up, Twin actually offers a free trial where you get access to 1,000 credits. So as you can see here, every time AI agent is going through its steps and building the agent for us, a few of these tokens will be used up. However, 1,000 tokens is more than enough, as a lot of the other tools out there, they don't even offer any free trials. So that's another thing which I love about Twin. Okay, so now we can see that it's fully done with the build. It literally did this in less than 5 minutes, which is incredible. Right now, it's saying that because, of course, I said that I didn't want it to send me the ideas via email, it's requesting to build an interface, which is a great solution. And again, with this AI agent builder and its ability to ask you questions, it can give you ideas that you probably wouldn't even thought of, or maybe you would have decided to go down a different path. But just like a real human AI agent assistant. And that's the thing with Twin, because again, the way you work with it is by literally speaking to it as if it's a real human agent builder. It's just way more feedback and better ideas that you come up with when you collaborate as you would a normal human being. So right now, I'm literally going to ask it to also build me the interface so that I can browse the ideas. And again, we're going to give it a few more minutes for this to be done. So now, any kind of interfaces or visual builds that happens, this pop-up comes up and you can literally see the interface being built in real time, which again is great if there's any kind of edits or changes that you quickly want to tell Twin to implement. Okay, so right now the interface is nearly done. And within a few seconds, as we can see here, we've got this incredible looking design of an interface that this agent has built up. Honestly, I'm genuinely actually surprised. I wasn't expecting something to look this good. So again, literally within less than 10 minutes, this is literally what you can build with Twin. It's such a great tool. Now, with this interface as well, you can even share it with other people. Maybe you have a team, or maybe you have a client that you're working with. So just like any normal documents, you can literally share the link and immediately they can access and take a look through this as well. What's also great is the fact that you can preview this interface within all types of devices, whether it's a laptop or an iPhone or even like a desktop or any kind of format. And what's great is that if you aren't happy with how an interface is looking so far, you can literally go back and forth, prompt Twin even more to configure and optimize however your interface and your agent is working and how it looks as well. So let me make this just a tiny bit bigger. Now, as we can see here, we have just a bunch of different ideas. For example, your job feels fine. That's exactly why you should worry. And then it literally gives you the headline or the title of this idea. It gives like a hook or like a quick introduction, and then literally tells you the talking points too. And what's incredible is that you can even click through, and then it has this really cool pop-up as well. And again, what I love about this is that not only does it give you a great looking dashboard that's very interactive and you can share it, but just the UI of it as well. It's just very intuitive. And bear in mind, this is just from literally 2 prompts. So imagine what's possible when you dive deeper and you literally spend a whole day trying to build AI agents for any use cases that you have. And again, when I'm looking at all of these ideas, even as an archive as well of any kind of ideas which I don't want to work with, and what I really like is that it went through Ruben's article and then it literally looked at the different topics, the different tools that he mentions. And then based on the ideas, it literally tells you which specific topics and content and tool this article comes from and is actually referring back to. And look at that, literally just in minutes. Look at what Twin literally produced. It's got summaries, links, video ideas, all from just 2 prompts. Now, if I just make the screen a bit smaller, you can see up here there's 2 toggles. There's the agent toggle, and then there's the interface toggle. So the interface toggle, again, this is the view that we're currently on. This is the externals of what we visually see based on the AI agents that you've created. Now, if I wanted to change the name of this AI agent or determine how it's going to be stored within my account, I can go back into the agents toggle. And in here, you can literally change the name of the agent, add any icons or colors that you want. And even though the auto name for this is pretty good, I'm just going to call this ideas agent. And hit save, and just like that, the name has been updated. And also with the agent toggle as well, as we can see here, it's even neatly organized the different instructions that this agent executes on. And then it also mentions the time triggers that it has of when this agent should run. It also has an activity log over here, and then it details the activity log of what exactly the agent executed on. Okay, now if I just open up the sidebar real quick and I go into agents, this is where all the agents that you created are stored. And then if I hover over it, you can see that I've got plan and I've got the runs as well. So if I click on the runs, it will literally tell you how many times this agent has literally done a run. And then now if I click on the agent, it reopens the page we were on before. And then if you wanted to change the triggers, for example, let's say I wanted to change the time, just click on the trigger and then immediately it will give you options of when you want to set the duration for. So let's say I want it to be every 7 days or every week instead. I'm then going to mention this. And again, you can literally configure this any kind of way that you want. And what's really good is the fact that it gives you estimated run costs. So you know exactly how many credits you're likely to use based on the time triggers or any kind of triggers you set for your agent. And then once you're ready, hit modify, and then it will literally be updated for you. Okay, and that's literally it. I described what I wanted in plain English, and then Twin figured out the steps, built the scraper, set the schedule, and then ran it. And now every morning or once a week, I literally get fresh content ideas without lifting a finger. But if you want to connect your AI agents to Slack, Gmail, or other applications, literally just ask it, and it will connect you to them. Now, I've actually shared a link down below for a free trial of Twin. So if you want to try this out, definitely check it out. Okay, now I'm going to show you another example, which is a lot more of a powerful use case, because I'm going to build an AI agent that will find leads via Google Maps. I'm going to ask it to find the business name, phone number, website information, and whatever contact info is listed online. And hopefully all of it will be pulled automatically using Twin's browser agent. For something like this, with a traditional automation tool, you would need to find a separate Google Maps scraper, then connect it through an API, build a workflow. But with Twin, you can either use the templates or just describe the end result, and it handles everything. And because it uses a real browser, it works on sites that don't even have an API at all. Okay, so let's go back. Now, if I click on new chat again, I'm ready to start building this second AI agent. Okay, now if we go back into Twin, what I'm going to do is instead of starting a new chat, first of all, I'm actually going to go to Twin's Discover. So as we can see, there's a massive library of AI agents that's been built by either members and users or Twin themselves. So as I scroll through, there's literally so many different options across so many different industries, as well as use cases, which is incredible. Now, for me, the main thing I'm looking for is a lead generation agent or something that can use Google Maps to scrape and extract data. So I'm just gonna type in Google Maps. I'm gonna see if any options come up. And incredible, just like that, there's literally 21 agents that has been found. Now, this second one actually looks quite interesting. Or actually, no, let's go to this first one. And once you click on one of these templates, there's a whole page that details all the information of the AI agent. And this one has actually been built on Twin. And then once you click on the AI agent template, you get met with this page where it details all the information about the AI agent, as well as extra insights that clarifies what the use cases are, who it's for, and how you can use it yourself as well. So I'm gonna try this out. So I'm gonna click try this agent for free. And then once you click, you then get sent back to the agents page. You can also see the instructions, which you can edit, that was set up by the owners of this template. However, when it comes to editing, if you don't really want to edit in this view and you much rather just chat to Twin, just like a normal human AI agents builder, you can go into the interface toggle and again, continue prompting it like we did before. So again, I'm just making sure that the use case that I wanted is double checked, confirmed. And I'm just going to chat to Twin again. I'm going to really optimize and adjust what we have to make sure it matches our use case. But this time we're not starting from scratch. And as we can see, it literally explores the current state of the agent's database, as well as its interface to understand what we're working with. I'm also going to ask it if it needs to, feel free to run a browser where you can complete the maps or any browsing that's required. Okay, great. So as we can see here, we now have this new interface that's being built out currently. And literally, this looks incredible. And then again, it literally details everything that's done, the logic and reasoning for everything and how this works. So as we can see here, we literally have a bunch of leads already that is found. And just like that, a full list of real leads with contact details pulled straight from Google Maps by an AI agent. And these agents can also navigate browsers on their own without you needing to write a single line of code. Now, here's the thing. This isn't a one-time run. You can set your AI agents to run every week, whether it's every Monday morning. You could actually scrape a fresh batch of leads and the results are sitting there when you open Twin. Or you could even chain another agent on top of this that will then send personalized outreach messages to those leads automatically. And that's what makes Twin different. If you use ChatGPT, Claude, or any any LLM for a quick task. They're likely going to reset and lose context with every new conversation. These twin agents persist and work in the background. Now, there's actually one more thing that's worth seeing. And remember, once you build an agent, Twin automatically generates that front-end interface that we saw earlier. These will range in how they look. They can be a mini dashboard, an app for that specific agent. You can now actually track its runs, see the data, submit inputs, all from one clean page. And with that interface, you can then share it with others. So if you've built a lead scraper for a client, you can give them the interface without giving them access to your backend. Think of it like Lovable, but for AI agents. Twin also gets cheaper over time because the agent learns what tools it needs and stops rebuilding from scratch. It's literally closer to hiring a virtual assistant than using an AI chatbot. Now, if you want to try this yourself, again, I've linked everything you need down in the description and in the pinned comment, so click it for a free trial to get started immediately. You've just seen how quick it is to now build AI agents, but the next thing you want to know is whether they actually keep working. Because if you've used Zapier for any length of time, you know that automations break, APIs change, tokens expire, something updates on the other end, and your whole workflow will stop. But Twin handles this differently because there are actually two modes that you can use. There's the build mode and the run mode. When you create an agent, it uses a powerful AI model to figure out the steps, build the tools, and test everything. That's build mode. But once the agent is working, it switches to run mode, which uses a lighter, cheaper model. The agent already knows what to do, so it doesn't need to think as hard. And then Twin say that their repeat runs cost 3 to 10 times less than the initial build. And if something breaks, the agent tries to fix it itself. If a website changes its layout or an API throws an error, the agent notices and attempts to route around the problem. Now that's a big difference from getting a failure notification at 3 AM, having to manually debug everything with the other tools. And on top of that, agents have memory. They remember what's happened in previous runs. So if you're running a lead scraper weekly, it knows which businesses it's already found and can skip duplicates. Also, you're not just limited to just time-based schedules either. You can trigger agents from webhooks, incoming emails, or Telegram messages. So if you want an agent that kicks off every time a form gets submitted on your website, you can do that too. If you go to Twin's web agent's website, you can actually find out more about their breakdown on this. Now, one more thing that's worth knowing is that Twin runs on a credit system. So during the free 7-day trial with the link down below, you get around 2,400 credits to play with. After that, Pro starts at $20 a month. So it's important to realize that any live browser-based tasks do use more credits than simple API automations. So just keep that in mind if you're running a lot of browser agents. You can also see exactly how many credits each one costs inside the app. So there's no guessing. Check out the pricing site if you want a full breakdown on the pricing as well. Now, who exactly is Twin built for and who should use it? If you run a small business and you spend hours every week on repetitive tasks, like finding leads, monitoring competitors, generating reports, following up with prospects, for example, with Twin, all those tasks can be taken off your plate. You literally set the agent up once and then you let it run continuously. Also, if you run an agency and you do this kind of work for clients, you can build agents for each client. It could be a lead generation for one, competitor monitoring for another, report generation for a third. Then you can scale your output without hiring more people. And because agents share memory within workspaces, they can hand off data to each other. Also, if you're a solopreneur or a freelancer with no coding skills, this is probably the easiest way to get real automation running because there's no terminal or deployment or config files needed. You literally just describe what you want and Twin does the rest. But I do want to say, this isn't a chatbot. It's not for asking one-off questions. Twin is built for recurring autonomous work. You build the agent once and it keeps running. That's the whole point of it. I've got the link to Twin down in the description to unlock a free trial to get started. And this video is sponsored by Twin, but everything I've shown you is my honest experience with the tool. If you do use the link in the description, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. I'm Sen from AI Academy. For more tutorials, check out this video.